You're walking far away.
Welcome back to the cruise ship. Taxi. You taxi?
Oh, yeah. Go back in the cruise ship. Maybe your cruise ship go. Maybe your cruise ship go.
Yeah, I might be stuck here.
Oh, that vice from... Oh my gosh. Have a photo also.
Huh?
I said I saw the bus different also.
Oh yeah, I'm the Philippines now.
Yeah, you like here in the Philippines because there in Canada it's look like from in the Philippines have the grasses, have a tree, and then the surround I like same what where I live, and then especially you use the umbrella. Can I see your umbrella? Cute.
Look at umbrella with the
School,
P9.
baby. School, baby. School.
Kabayan!
Kabayan.
Kumusta kabayan? Kumusta kabayan? Videos guys. Kumusta kabayan? Unggoy, Gorillion, Canada guys.
Cute, baby. I love it.
Super kabuk now guys. Super kabuk now. How you say rain again? Dilo?
Ulan.
Ulan. Super kaulan guys. Super kaulan.
Bugnaw kayo. Ang ulan. Just say it, baby. Sobra ka bugnaw ang ulan. Say, yeah.
Super ka.
Sobra ka bugnaw ang ulan.
Ulan kayo guys.
Ulan kayo.
Ulan kayo.
You really make me happy, baby, huh?
Canada guys.
Yes, and in the Philippines where I live.